Welcome back to our course. So now we'll talk about all hot other strings, we'll talk about numbers, and that today we are going to talk about another aspect of programming that is very important. So and normally when you go, let's say on website or anywhere, what's happening in that you interact with the website. So let's say you are looking at products and then you are interact by certain products. You click on product, then you go to pay the product. So the website will ask you questions. So let's say for example the website asks you for your name, your address, your method of payment and everything. You enter all those. The website will send automatically a receipt to you and will send you a thank you message, and we will send to the person who owns the website a message that someone bought their product. So how all those work behind the scene? Well, there is a way to reproduce all this in Python, and the most basic way to do it will be by using the input function. So the input function will simply allow another user to interact with our app. So this is the way that you will be able to ask question to your user. So let's say, look what all this looks like. So how do you write an input function? It's very simple. Input. So it's gonna be written like this. So it's just input and you write down the text that you want to ask from the user. Let's say for example we want to ask from user what is their age. So what is their age? So it's something look like this, and if you want to print it, you simply write down print, cut this block of code and paste it. Alright, so as you can see here, we ask person their age. The program is still running. So right now we will answer, let's say the age of person is 20. So the program is done to process finish. The answer is 20. So in this case, with it's very simple, we print directly input. Let's say we want to make not more complicated but bit more cool, and instead of just printing what is your age, just printing this and then printing the answer. We want to put it into our variable. So let's say in this case we will put it in our variable age, and in this case will be input what is your age. Alright, so right now we have all this. So in this case it's age. So our variable age is equal to the input what is your age. So what exactly do we want to print? So right now we want to print our age. So variable age, and we run it. So the exact same thing will appear here. Let's say write down 20, and that's it up and like this. Let's say I want to make it bit more cooler, so we can write down my age is plus our variable age, and we can just run it. What is your age? Write down 20. As you can see, my age is 20. So basically we just ask question to the person that, let's say, what is your age? Right now let's say you want to do a bit more cool, so just practice it. Let's say you want to ask person what this person want to eat. So in this case, well, eat, drink, and let's say ask the person their name, where they want to eat, and their age. Alright, so first of all we need to define our variables. So the first variable will be name. So ask the person their name. So input, and person will write down what is your name. What is your name, the age of person. So the second variable that we are going to look at will be the age of person. So once again, the input and write down what is your age. So the third input, what, so in this case food. Once again, input, and in this case we ask the person to what do you want to eat. Input, what do you want to eat. Finally, our last question will be what do you want to drink. So let's say call it drink. Input, what do you want to drink. So right now, what exactly we want our app to print us, because right now we have our variables which are right here: name, age, food and drink. We want to print, let's say, not statement but a basic sentence. Print. So let's say hello, my name is. Hello, my name is. And the first thing that I want to do is plus, and I want to add the variable name, and we continue the sentence. I am. This time we will add variable name age. We will continue our sentence. I want to eat. So here I want to add food, our third variable, plus food. And I want to drink, and we add our last variable which will be drink. Good. So right now we have basic setup which will simply print what the person wants to eat, to drink. Well, what's the name of person, the age of the person, what the person wants to eat and to drink. So very important, simply add those. Great. Simply run our code. So first question, what is your name? So in this case, let's say my name is Max. What is your age? I am 35. What do you want to eat? Let's say pizza. And finally, what do you want to drink? Cola. Hello, my name is Max. I am 35. I want to eat pizza. I want to drink cola. So here I want some space. So run it again. Simply put input again. What is your name? Max. What is your age? 35. What do you want to eat? Pizza. What do you want to drink? Cola. So we see here. Hello, my name is Max. I am 35. I want to eat pizza. I want to drink cola. This is in output. So as you can see here, we created a small app that will generate the name of person, the age of person, what the person wants to eat, and what the person wants to drink. All this simple with the input function. So once again, as I explained before, this allows us to talk with the person who is behind the app. So once again, this is the basic in Python, and what you can do with the input function, you will see more. We are going to advance in this course, and more you will do cool. And as I said, this is just basic of basic. You will see with the input function, you can do lot of very interesting things. So that's it for this class guys, and I hope you will understand input function. Right now I suggest you to practice what you just saw, and I will see you in next lecture.